Well, good afternoon or good evening, I should say. I'm William Brantley from South Jackson, Tennessee, ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. I'll start off with regular climate data first, and then we'll go from there. The rain's almost over with, by the way, for this evening. It'll be over with around 9 p.m. or so. And we had a mighty cool day today, and I'll give you that momentarily. As of 5 p.m. here in South Jackson, the skies were cloudy. We had a little bit of rain falling at the time. The temperature was 51 degrees. That's a clue as to what's so cool about today. 51 degrees, and yesterday, well, it was 52 degrees. Yesterday about the same time, so it's almost identical. Alright, dew point was 48 degrees. The humidity was at 89%. And the wind was out of northeast at 3 miles per hour. And the barometric pressure was 30.22 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was a cool 45 degrees. Today's high was only 52 degrees. That is a new record, coolest or coldest high, whichever word you prefer, for October the 16th. Old record was 55 back in 2009. So we beat it by 3 degrees there. I've had 0.07 of an inch of rainfall today since midnight. That puts me on up to around 305 for the month, something close to that at least. And it looks like about 66.65 roughly for the year. So on up there a little bit, 66.64 probably. I'm getting a text on my phone. I'll check it in a minute. Okay, I'll move on to the other information. Lowest humidity was 77% at 10 a.m. through noon 12 p.m. The highest would be 96%, and that occurred at 1 and 2 a.m. Lowest dew point temperature was 42 degrees at 7 through 10 a.m., while the highest was 48 degrees at 5 p.m. Lowest barometric pressure 30.22 inches, and that occurred at 4 and 5 p.m., while the highest would be 30.29 inches, and that occurred at 10 and 11 a.m. this morning. Highest wind gust today was north at 16 miles per hour at 4:43 a.m. Again, the records for the October 16th, hottest high would be 89 degrees back in 1953. Again, the coolest high, newest coolest high, would be 52 in the year 2018. Again, the old record was 55 back in 2009. Warmest low would be 69 degrees in 1989, and the coldest low would be 30. Whoa, below freezing. And that occurred in 1952. There is no freezes in the forecast for the next 15 days, even though we're going to be coming close early next week. Rainfall record for today, 2 inches in 1975. Again, so far today, 0.07 of an inch here in South Jackson. Alrighty, I think that's the basic climate data for you. And I guess I'll move on to a few graphs, and that'll be it for the evening. Look at the National Weather Service's current surface map as of about 3:25 p.m. this afternoon. It does show an area of rain on it, which we did experience today. And we'll continue for a few more hours this evening before it quits and just becomes basically cloudy. As you can see, the area of rain is basically south of the line from about almost the Tennessee-Kentucky border, roughly Mayfield, Kentucky southward, and on down toward the Gulf of Mexico. There you see a couple of low pressures south of us, one in the Carolinas and one way down there east of Texas off in the Gulf of Mexico. There's an area of flooding possible to the south of us from Mississippi on over to Texas. And the other features on the map, cold front to the north of us from a low from Canada. stretching on back into Canada there after it dips down to Illinois. And it looks like there's an area of snow and rain up there around Lake Superior, I think that is. And a big area of rain up there in the northeast portion of the country in that green dotted line area. And out west there's a high over Wyoming, I believe that is, and a low over California, and some rain and snow mixed in that blue area out west in the parts of the Smoky Mountains. And that pretty much covers all the active activity in the U.S. today. And let me pull it out so you can see the whole country at one time and take it from there. All right, what's next? Radar. Let's go ahead and look at the radar real quick. There you see the Weather Services radar. And we've got a little bit of rain just south of Jackson now, but it appears to be kind of drifting east-southeast. It's going to be slowly leaving our area before too long. It stretches on over into Middle Tennessee, of course, a little bit. Oh, I know what I need to do. It's not moving. That's the reason why. I got to remember all this. I should already have. Anyways. Alright, there you see a pretty good chunk. Let me pull it out so you can see a little bit better. Mainly Middle Tennessee now, northern Mississippi, a little bit in Arkansas. Let me get the wider range one come up here. The southern Mississippi sector, as they like calling it. Tennessee's pretty much covered, especially middle east of the river, at least, Tennessee River that is. Heavier rain down in Alabama. It's moving away from us. And some scattered stuff to our south, and still some down northeast Texas. That will probably end up going through northern Mississippi, though, and just south of Jackson, probably, as the evening wears on. Again, the rain here is almost over, and probably within a couple hours or so. Alright, what's next? Satellite picture. Thanks to AccuWeather, that's the way it looks like, nationally speaking. There's the rain over our area, good chunk of Tennessee, little orange dot there pointing toward Jackson. And there you see more clouds coming, of course. It's not going to clear until, I believe, Tuesday around here, probably towards sunrise. And there you see all the clouds across the rest of the country. There is some more rain till south, but it's probably going to stay south of us, though, after 9 o'clock at least. And there's a huge area of clouds covering the country for the most part. Clear out west and cloudy to the east. We're stuck in the middle with the clouds. Oh well, that's kind of normal for October around here. Pretty down there in Florida, though. Looks like you got nice sunshine down there. Well, clear skies anyways. Alright, take your pick of your part of the country real fast and I'll move on. Alright. Let me see. I think the weather forecast is next. And then that'll be it for the evening. Alright. I'm going to do one of those read 3 and silent on the rest of them. That way my voice won't get choppy for too long. Rest of the evening, rain ending by around 9 o'clock like I mentioned. Mostly cloudy skies will continue through tomorrow, at least until daybreak. Let me see. The sun sets at 6:18. And rises tomorrow morning at 7:03. The moon has already gone. So I'll skip it. The first quarter moon was complete today, though. Let me see. Wednesday, fair skies. The skies are going to clear tomorrow. Low near 43, high of 68. Almost 70 tomorrow. How about that? That'd be a big difference between today's high of only 52, tomorrow 68. I'll take it though. North winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Again, the sun rises at 7:03 and sets at 6:17 tomorrow evening. Moon will be rising tomorrow afternoon at 2:42 p.m. and be setting at 12:47 a.m. Thursday morning. Speaking of Thursday, let's go ahead and give it. Mostly clear skies are expected. Low near 42. Ooh, it's getting on down there a little bit. High of 61. Northeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. There you see the other times. And I'm going to be solid on the west. Hopefully you can read it all right. Friday's forecast, there it is. I'll go ahead and mention there's an 80% chance of the rain by Friday afternoon and the rest of the evening. Don't need to lose my camera. I try to get out of it one glance here. Look at that, 34 Monday morning. Goodness gracious. Almost freezing. The full moon's going to be complete on the 24th, next Wednesday. Now you see the rise and set times for the moon. Finally on Thursday. Okay, maybe that'd be good enough for this evening. One more quick time. The rain will be ending around 9 p.m. Clearing before sunrise, and a nice day tomorrow. We could use it after all this rain we've had recently. Well, alrighty, that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching and viewing and subscribing, and I hope you have a great Tuesday night and a fantastic Wednesday tomorrow. Otherwise, good night and God bless, and hope to talk to you again soon.